SHASHIBO shape-shifting box award-winning, patented fidget cube with 36 rare earth magnets. Extraordinary 3D magic cube. SHASHIBO cube magnet fidget toy transforms into over 70 shapes, wings. Unlike other puzzle box toys that turn out disappointing and dull, the patented, award-winning SHASHIBO fidget box features 36 rare earth magnets for an innovative design that transforms into over 70 shapes. R.Y.TOYS fidget toys for adults/teens/boys/girls, rotate and slide puzzle, brain teaser, cylinder magic cube gift, birthday present, 12 colors x 10 layers, upgrade. Not only a logic toy, but also a rotating slide puzzle. It is a combination of magic cube and puzzle. Its puzzle pieces can be rotated from left and right around the axis as well as be slided up and down. Rubik's Cube. This original 3x3 Rubik's Cube is a must-have for cube enthusiasts. Note, these cubes are supposed to be loose so that the consumer can solve them faster. Contains 3x3 cube. Billions of combinations, only one solution. World's best-selling and most famous puzzle. 43 quintillion possible moves. Twist and turn cube to return it to its original state, every side having one solid color. Contains 3x3 cube and cube stand. GiiKER Super Slide Brain Games, 500 plus leveled up challenges, brain teaser puzzles, interactive handheld games console, electronic learning and education travel STEM toys for all ages. Innovative and interactive, Super Slide is an interactive game console for sliding jigsaw puzzles. D-FantiX Cyclone Boys 6x6 Speed Cube Stickerless 6x6x6 Magic Cube Puzzles 68mm, G6 version. Compact and stable D-FantiX Cyclone Boys G6 Speed Cube 6x6 is the latest 6x6 to hit the market. 68mm for each side,